How to hide all Facebook photos with only me settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can hide all Facebook photos with only me setting. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to set all of your photos and videos to only me, basically having the privacy at its highest at Facebook, what you'll need to do is open up the app first. Open up your Facebook app and then head over to the menu option at the bottom right. After you're on the menu option at the bottom right, you'll then need to head over to your settings. On the top right, you'll find the gear icon. Tap on your settings, and after you're here, you will need to go to profile and tagging. So to head over there, what you'll need to do is under settings and privacy, scroll down, and you can scroll down till you find profile and tagging. Tap on that, and after you do that, there you can see viewing and sharing option. So just choose and set everything to only me. So they can see everything is already on only me on my settings. So after you've done that, scroll down and there you can see other settings as well, that is tagging and implied mentions. So set both of those to only me as well. After you've done that, everyone that will start tagging you will just get set at only you or only me on your feed. So yeah, it's basically that simple. Now all the photos and videos you'll be tagged in will also be set at only me, which only your friends only you will be able to see, and not even your friends list. And yeah, you can go ahead, and if you want to hide all the photos and videos as well, go to your profile, and on your photos, what you can do is tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on edit privacy there, and from here choose only me again, and then tap on save. You can do that to all the photos and you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.